Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 3 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, Part 3 of 10. Jack got onto the ship blank. He won his ticket. As soon as, once, while blank the iceberg hit, the ship began to shake. As soon as, until, since. Rose never forgot Jack blank that cold night. Once, since, while. They held on to the door blank help arrived. Since, until, while. Rose was talking blank Jack was drawing her picture. As soon as, once, while. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, Part 3 of 10. Jack got onto the ship as soon as he won his ticket. Reason, as soon as means immediately after. He got on right after winning. Once the iceberg hit, the ship began to shake. Reason, once means after something happened, similar to as soon as. Rose never forgot Jack since that cold night. Reason, since shows a point in time from which something has continued. They held on to the door until help arrived. Reason, until shows a time limit, they held on up to the point when help came. Rose was talking while Jack was drawing her picture. Reason, while shows that two actions happened at the same time. Like, comment and subscribe.